time during difficult and troubled financial periods, the advice would have been, save your money and be wise. Now it's spend your money. Go and spend your money.
I know. Unfortunately,